President William Ruto na munini wake Mohagure Rigathi Gachagua makoretwo magicora mbica ya atongoria etigiri Ngai na akristiano arumu. Okuma hede ya kampeini cia githurano iria matikoretwo magitira kanitha na kuringana na ubori wao. Thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza mamioneire maruini na yaciarirwo na mahoya. Ndugu yao na kanitha ya matireo na makiria kuona atumia ao na itugi cia witikio. Hede ya kampeini maiguithitie muingi ang'etheri ao mari na kindu giothe gia kumahotithia kuhotana githurano. Inde mwena-ine wao mari na muingi tu na Ngai.
The gate of the Lord. The stone.
No kuma gataro ka President William Ruto na Rigathi Gachagua kabiriria kung'etherwo ni makumbi iria makoretwo magithie kanitha mundu ari wiki kionereria kia uria ndugu yao ithukite kundu ona matangiikarania igongona-ine iria mahoyagirwo na kuigirirwo moko.
Government of the day, the government of President William Ruto.
Atungatiri aria makoretwo makimahoera hamwe na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza riu ni mahuhite coro.
Because all the way till now I have always been thinking that this government is a government of God.
Kwa maana wakati huu wote nilikuwa nafikiria serikali hii ni serikali ya Mungu.
Because it's the one we voted for.
Kwa maana ndio tulioichagua.
To our embarrassment.
Lakini kwa aibu yetu.
It's a government of fight.
Ni serikali ya vita.
Mutungatiri wa President William Ruto Teresia Wairi mwene akiuga ati ta kanitha ni maraigwa macambite kumana na rera ria kiuteti ria riri kuo kurumirira kuhagurwo kwa Rigathi Gachagua.
I'm sure most of us were watching the television, we were so embarrassed.
Najua wengi wetu walikuwa watazama runinga na tuliaibika sana. Tuliaibika sana.
I wish every senator, every member of parliament can watch today's message.
Riu handu ha kurathimwo na gwetanirwo na iguru kanitha iraheana mukana wa gucuhura na mahoya atongoria aria yaitiriria maguta kuma iturwa-ine iria mariragira kigongona-ine.
Come on, let's arm ourselves. Somebody must go home again. People must start to go home. Home is where we want you, in your village. Don't stop anywhere. We are sending most of you home. We did not vote for you to go and make noise for us. We voted for you to become performers. Oh, come on, the Church of Jesus, make a shout.
Atongoria a kanitha marauga handu ha thirikari kurumbuia mavataro ma muingi na kuhingia ciiraniro cia hinde ya kampeini. Thirikari ya President William Ruto no gwena haranio orire muingi onyoteire motungata.
As a voter, I'm embarrassed.
Kama mpiga kura ninaibika sana.
And the next election you must convince me.
Na katika uchaguzi ujao lazima unipatie sababu.
We are sick and tired of having noise.
Tumechoshwa na kelele.
We want performers.
Tunataka watenda kazi.
We want workers.
Tunataka watenda kazi.
Don't arm yourself like you are going for war.
Usivae silaha kama
arm
unaenda
yourself
vitani.
to serve the nation of Kenya and the people who voted for you. We can no longer trust politicians.
Kanitha igitanaga na iguru na kio kiama gia kitheremia kiria kirehete hamwe athuri na andu ethi kuma Embu. Kiugete President William Ruto ni aratwara bururi uria gutagiriire.
Riu ni mbarerete tu bururi-ri no ndu andu kurega kwiguzana. Koguo mbare yo ibune turoneta imbega na ndiratukenia. Ani turagua nae muno ngukura mundu ayo ofisire na niagukaraga ciriro ni andu anini no ndu wa mbia. Koguo ngenda kwariria muno no ndu wa rais. Bau akirite no uratonia sauthio ni yake. Aita mwene bururi na uria aicembo ya thayo. No bathi gukora ke mwene akirugama na akauga mbare no ndaramienda. No atwirite ginya vindi ya kampeini ndagetikira munini wake abitukira maundu mothe arabitukira nitwarigwa kiria akiritie ni ndui.
Athuri aya hamwe na andu ethi maroria President gucokaniriria bururi na kurigiriria undu wothe ungiagagia thayo wa muingi.
Mundu ucio kugweta uboro wa kirima kungiuma gwaku utethambite ukethambire ronjingi no nginya ukethambira gwaku mucii na ukite no nginya karia ruga yake na akereanwa na andu wake nigetha bote kuthie na kuria bururi-ri kwaririria uboro wa bururi guothe aume gwake nake akionekaga mundu urereka
no ndu Gachagua twitwa muthurire airani meti wa Ruto na o arathurirwo Kindiki ucio no akopointwa koguo anakiteka kwi undu wingi akabota kwaria agakoragwa independent.
Munini wa President Mohagure Rigathi Gachagua augite muturire wake uri hatikaine rire atereire igoti gutwithania mashira ma kuhagurwo gwake. Ngiribotera Ruto TV retwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Mainam.